Here is how to restore tabs that you accidentally closed in Google Chrome. So let's get started. So I'll split this video into two parts. One is to get back a group of tabs, and the second option is to just get back a few tabs that you accidentally closed. So first, to get back a group of tabs, let's say these 4 tabs over here, like Google Drive, YouTube, Amazon, Gmail. Let's say I close Chrome, and now if I go back to Chrome, I've opened Chrome again, and you can see the tabs are gone. So the easiest way to get back a group of tabs is to click on the 3 dots, which are on the top right, click on History, and here under Recent Tabs, you'll see this option, 5 tabs. And this will be the first option if you just closed it. And here you can see the tabs are the same, Google Drive, YouTube, Amazon, Gmail. So now if I want to get this back, I just have to click on Restore Window, and you can see it's back to exactly how it was. So this is how to get back a group of tabs. And one thing you can do if you accidentally close a tab, let's say if I close Amazon and Gmail, and now if I want to get them back, the simplest way to get them back is to use the shortcut Control, Shift, and T. So now if I use the shortcut, you can see Gmail has come back. And if I use the shortcut again, you can see Amazon has come back. So this is helpful if you just close the tabs. This is the simplest way to get back individual tabs. And let's say for some reason it doesn't come back. Then you can click on the 3 dots on the top right, come to History, and here under Recent Tabs, you'll most likely find it. If it's not here, then select the first option, Open History page. Then you can scroll through this list and you'll find all of the search terms along with the tabs. So let's say I want to restore this. I'll click on the 3 dots and click on Open All in New Tab Group. And you can see the tabs have come here. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.